In this video, you'll learn how to create API keys on OKX. This process allows you to integrate applications with your OKX account securely, enabling functionalities such as trading and balance management. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. Once there, locate the sign-in area, usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to log into your account. If prompted, complete any additional security measures required, such as two-factor authentication. Next, focus on accessing the API management section. Click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear from which you should select the option labeled API or API Management. This action will direct you to the API Management interface. After reaching the API Management area, look for the button that says Create API Key. Clicking this will initiate the process of generating a new API key. You will then be prompted to assign a name to your API key. For instance, you might choose a name like Trading Bot to easily identify its purpose later. You will now need to select the permissions associated with your new API key. The options include Read, which allows viewing of balances and orders, Trade, which enables placing orders, and Withdraw, which should be used with caution as it allows fund withdrawals. It's advisable to avoid granting withdrawal permissions for security reasons. Additionally, you may choose to set IP restrictions to enhance security, limiting access to specific IP addresses. Once you have configured the settings to your satisfaction, proceed by clicking the Confirm button. A security verification will follow, typically involving two-factor authentication. After successfully completing this step, you will see your new API key and secret displayed on the screen. It is crucial to copy these credentials immediately, as the secret will not be visible again after you leave this page. Make sure to store them securely in a password manager or a safe location. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.